What's up, homies? So, one of my tenants taught me that the hardest part of rent by room real estate isn't collecting rent or fixing toilets, it's managing the social dynamics of a shared home. Over time, one tenant developed a pattern of inconsiderate behavior in the common areas. The situation eventually escalated when a guest was given independent access to the house, remained there while the tenant was away, and other housemates weren't even aware of who he was. The guest may have been perfectly harmless, but that's not the point. Several tenants felt uncomfortable because an unknown person had effectively become part of the household without anyone's knowledge or consent. That experience fundamentally changed how I think about house rules. The goal isn't to make a long list of rules, the goal is harmony. Rules are just tools to help everyone feel safe, respected, and comfortable in a shared living environment. Afterward, I updated my policies to make expectations explicit instead of assuming everyone shared the same common sense. So, lessons learned. The biggest challenge in rent by room housing is often people, not property. Protect the experience of the good tenants first. Address patterns of behavior before they become major conflicts. Guests should never have unrestricted access to a shared home. Make important expectations explicit instead of assuming everyone interprets common courtesy the same way. The objective isn't rule enforcement, it's creating a home where strangers can successfully live together. That's all for today. Subscribe and I'll see you soon.